By the end of this video, I'm going to explain exactly what liquidity is, how to avoid liquidity sweeps, and exactly how liquidity works and how to not fear it, but use it to your advantage. What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Playmaker Way with the playbook. Hoping to have a great day, morning, or evening. And y'all read the title, man. If it's your first time on the channel, welcome. I appreciate giving this video a chance. Make sure to hit that bell and sub button. Just post weekly day trading tips. We don't just post weekly trade breakdowns, but we also post stock analysis and crypto analysis and plays. And most importantly, we live stream a live trade every day, London session 3 in EST on this very same channel. And if you hit that first link in the description, join the free signal free Telegram, you'll see that we have not lost a single trade so far this month of July. Yes, you heard that correctly. Just wrapped up this week going 5-0. You scroll up, you can see every trade every day is dated, time to document it. I post a recap the day at the end of every day, post a recap the week at the end of every week, and a recap the month and quarter at the end of every month and quarter. And at the beginning of every week, I drop the Sunday chart analysis going over not just what I see price doing Sunday night going into Monday, but what I see price doing throughout the entire week. As you can see, the week before that, we went 5-0. The week before that, we went 6-0. And then the first week of July, we went 3-0. We really do this over here, y'all. So make sure to hit that first link in the description, check all that stuff out. You go to where it says subscribers, you go down to photos. There's over 1,700 photos, over 3 years worth of receipts. You can see screenshots of positions, screenshots of signals. And most importantly, you can also check out and see student results and testimonials. Check this out. Now, the first thing you got to understand about liquidity, the reason why liquidity sweeps are a thing is not necessarily price wicking and attacking y'all stop losses. The reason why y'all stop losses keep on getting wicked a lot of the times is because y'all like to put a box instead of precise level. Right? You look at my marked up charts, look at any of my trade breakdowns, I put off precise levels. Y'all put a box and then y'all don't even enter off support resistance levels. Y'all put y'all stop losses on the supported resistance level. So of course, the level that price is going to retest, if it hits that, you're going to get stopped out. Or if it goes a little bit further, you're going to get stopped out. This is why it's important to have precise levels and actually know how to read the charts instead of, again, chasing price or entering trades late. Okay. And if y'all use those gray boxes, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about because y'all enter above the gray box but have the stop loss at the bottom. And all the time you'll see price touch that level and then wick y'all out of the position. That's the reason why. Other thing you have to understand about liquidity sweeps and liquidity itself is that it's literally just chilling on support and resistance levels. The reason price is not just randomly doing things. Every rejection you see, every move up, every move down, every candlestick formed, every wick is price reacting off of support and resistance level. That's something you have to understand, right? So when we look at price right here, we see clear liquidity, right? So people would have called this a liquidity sweep when in all actuality, price came to this level, failed to break it or hold it as support, it rejected it because it was being treated as a resistance level. This is just how price works. And I talk about this in the price action and technical analysis playbook. Price action and technical analysis playbook, it works on stocks, Forex, options, and crypto. Now, I give this book away for free in Playmaker University, or you can get this book separately. It says right here, in order for the uptrend to continue, we need to break past the previous high, which gives us a new higher high. Look at photo below. We also have to respect the support level the higher low is resting on. Just like you saw with the rules of the uptrend, we needed to what? Break this resistance level and treat it as support. We see here price attempted, but then when volume died down, it started treating it as resistance again. And then when price broke above it, it failed to hold that support, which is why price rejected to the downside. But that's also why you see later on, when volume kicked in, price blew through that level, right? And you see the same exact level, price is playing on, and we see more liquidity, right? So again, I'm telling y'all, this is how price works. We see liquidity right here, resistance level turn to a support level, and this is real time, y'all. So this is literally how price, this is literally real time. Look at the date, right? Friday the 25th, Sunday the 27th. This is literally in real time. This is no bar replay. This is literally how price works. So next time you see a bunch of liquidity, understand that that's price chilling at a support resistance level, and we're simply waiting for volume to either break back above that level or reject. Again, look at this rejection off this support resistance level. Look right here. We had a nice push to the upside. Price failed to hold this level as support, retraced right back to my entry, and look where the liquidity is at. And then look at this fake out liquidity sweep. So as you see, it's literally price just retesting support and resistance level. Look where this liquidity is at. The same level and same price liquidity is at right here is the same level, same price. A couple days later, we see liquidity at again. And then again, what do we see here? Once volume picked up, that resistance level got turned to support, and we was able to catch this nice move off of this GJ setup. And this is an actual trade being the members caught right here. Look at the date right here, Tuesday the 15th, Monday the 14th. And then when we go to Monday the 14th, again, you see this trade, July the 14th, you see the entry, the SL, the TPs, you see the time we enter the trade, you see the reactions, you see the TPs getting hit. So again, we really do this over here, y'all. This isn't no just trading view. We really took all these setups. Again, what do you see here? You see the liquidity. Price fell to hold this level at support. We see our price gap down. We see liquidity here. Again, just literally liquidity is price struggling to break back above or below a support or resistance level. That's literally all liquidity is, y'all. I'm telling y'all, this is going to change the trading game for y'all, because you're never going to see the price. You're never going to see price the same exact way. Again, look right here. We see clear liquidity underneath the support level. And then the same price point, we see liquidity right here. Again, is that a coincidence? No. Look at this, low volume, price struggling to break this level, which is why price rejected. This is literally how price works and moves, y'all. If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below any questions, comments, concerns you may have. Make sure to hit that first link in the description, join a free Signal free Telegram. If you're interested in learning how to identify these levels, my Signal service, my mentorship program, make sure to hit those links in the description. By the way, y'all, these levels are not marked off by that. This is a different way I place these levels. But before you make a decision, let me tell you a little bit about those details. If you're interested in taking your trading to the next level and learning directly from me, join Playmaker University, or I recommend scheduling a one-on-one session where profitable traders and confident traders are made. Not only are you going to get my complete strategy in video format, going over how to read the charts, how to identify my key price levels, those blue and gold lines y'all stay asking me in the comment section, how to enter and exit trades, how to trade news, my scalping strategy, my secret buy and sell limit strategy, trading psychology, how to deal with wins and losses, how to scale into trades, how to never blow your account again, how to double your account every month. But you will also get daily analysis setups for life, student member group chat, daily trade recaps for life, exclusive New York Lives and trading plan Zooms, and y'all gonna get my famous price action technical analysis playbook that works on stocks, forex, options, and crypto. And on top of that, you're going to get the trader's mindset, mastering psychology and risk management playbook that goes over leveraging risk, mastering discipline, how to never blow your account again, learn how to trust yourself while staying cool, calm, and collected. This is what helped one of my students turn $4, as you can see, yes, to $275. That is not Photoshop. You can see he's saying right here, I followed the playbook through a Hail Mary. Shout out for all you do. This is why I always say to follow the flow price and not chase price. His last dollars, he was damn near, he basically blew his account. And because he followed my teachings, trusted the playbook, he was able to turn a $4 account to almost $300 account. It's literally that simple, y'all. I made all the mistakes, so you don't have to make the mistakes. Instead, just learn from my mistakes and be successful quicker. So if you're interested in learning how to consistently not only grow your accounts, but consistent $500 to $1,000 days, click that first link in the description, watch the free trading crash course. Or if you already know you're ready to get in and lock in with me, click the link to go join Playmaker University or the one-on-one sessions, and I'll see you on the other side. Shout out to the Playmakers, man. Now, advanced play Signal, we literally just had a 100% win rate last week, and this is the exact same strategy I teach in the one-on-one sessions and in Playmaker University that averages not just a 90% win rate on a weekly basis, but also on a monthly and quarterly basis as well. You see right here, 16-1, 94% win rate. You see here another 100% win rate on the week. We go to a whole nother month. You see here how we ended quarter 1 this year, 44-5, giving us a 90% win rate, 17-3 January, 14-1 February, March, 13-1. And if we go to how we ended last year, 2024, we literally went 181 wins, 23 losses, averaging an 89% win rate all 12 months combined, averaging less than 2 losses per month. You're not going to find any other mentorship or signaling service that does stuff like this. And not only do I call accurate signals, but I give you my entry, my S cells, my TPs. I notify you when the TPs get hit. I give y'all updates in the trades, and I drop a New York price watch list showing y'all what price is doing in that trade we're in, as well as what to expect and anticipate going into New York session, as well as other possible setups going into New York session. I go over whether you should look for buys or sells. I go over specific price points and all of that good stuff, y'all. And you'll also get the advanced play signal for completely free when you sign up and apply for one-on-one sessions. One-on-one sessions, I make sure you earn while you learn. So not only do I teach my exact same strategy on a Zoom call on the charts just like this, but you get one session a week. Each session is an hour long, recorded and sent to you the same day. Those recordings are yours to keep for life, y'all. So you definitely get a huge return on investment, as well as you get access to the student member group chat and the advanced play signal room. So it'll be interesting. You're trading to the next level. You know exactly what to do. Hit those links in the description, y'all. If you want to contact me directly, you can DM me on Instagram, TikTok, or Telegram. I respond to all messages. See y'all in the university, y'all. See y'all in the next video. Peace. We out.